Legacy Project Management. Navigating Microsoft Project 2013 in 2023. Microsoft Project 2013, initially introduced a decade ago, has been a linchpin in project planning and execution. The journey of navigating Microsoft Project 2013 in 2023. This investigation delves into its interface, capabilities, and integration potential with modern project management methodologies. Evolution of project management tools. The evolution of project management tools represents a dynamic journey that parallels the advancement of technology and the changing needs of project teams. The evolution of project management tools continues, with an emphasis on agility, collaboration, and integration with other business systems. Foundations of Microsoft Project 2013. The foundations of Microsoft Project 2013 are rooted in a commitment to providing project managers with a comprehensive and intuitive tool for planning, scheduling, and managing projects. Legacy software in modern work environments. Legacy software, often defined as older systems that remain in use, holds a unique place in contemporary workplaces, serving as a testament to the enduring reliability and functionality of certain tools. Effective resource management. Effective resource management is a cornerstone of successful project execution, and Microsoft Project 2013 provides a robust platform for optimizing the allocation and utilization of resources. Integration with cloud and collaboration platforms. The integration of Microsoft Project 2013 with cloud platforms represents a pivotal shift toward enhancing accessibility and fostering real-time collaboration. The compatibility of Microsoft Project 2013 with collaboration platforms extends beyond Microsoft's ecosystem. User experience and interface enhancements. One notable enhancement in the user experience is the ribbon interface, a hallmark of Microsoft Office applications. The user experience is further refined through the introduction of touch-friendly controls, recognizing the evolving landscape of device usage. Security and compliance considerations. One of the foundational elements addressing security in Microsoft Project 2013 is access control. The tool incorporates robust authentication mechanisms, allowing organizations to manage user access through secure login credentials. Compliance with industry regulations and data protection laws is another crucial facet addressed by Microsoft Project 2013. Conclusion. In conclusion, the exploration of legacy project management, navigating Microsoft Project 2013 in 2023, reveals the enduring legacy and adaptability of Microsoft Project 2013 in the ever-evolving landscape of project management. The foundations of Microsoft Project 2013 rest on its commitment to simplicity, adaptability, and user-friendliness.